Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix NovaClick not working on BullX Neo. Let's get started. Step 1 is to remove existing extensions. Open your extensions panels in your browser and then right-click and remove both TamperMonkey and BullX Neo extensions. Step 2 is to reinstall TamperMonkey. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for TamperMonkey and click Add Extension. Enable Developer Mode in the extension panel. Step 3 is to add the latest user script. Open TamperMonkey and create new script. Clear the workspace so it's empty. Copy the latest user script from paste bin, which is the link will be provided. Paste the script into the editor and then save it. Ensure the script is enabled in TamperMonkey. Step 4 is to reinstall and enable NovaClick. Go back to the BullX Neo and open NovaBox. Click Start NovaClick and follow the prompt to download and install it. If NovaClick appears disabled, refresh the page and enable the script in TamperMonkey. And that's it. NovaClick should now be working on BullX Neo. If it stops working again, just repeat these steps exactly. The Nova team is working on it as official fix. But for now, this is the best workaround. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.